Alright, does everyone have their easy instructional guide? If you look at the front page of the easy instructional guide, you can see that the first section says setting up. Now it's very simple to set up your document camera to your projector in your computer. You can see here the back panel of the projector, but just to give you a better idea, I'm going to flip the camera around so you can see the back part of the document camera. You can see there's 4 cables going into the back. The first one here is a USB, which will connect to your computer. The next one is an RGB, which will also connect to your computer. These 2 cables are connected and they've come with your Infinity package. The cable next to that is the RGB that will go into your projector. And then over here on the end is your power supply to power the document camera, right? So, after you get your document camera and your projector and your computer connected, we need to know how to zoom. Now there's 2 ways to zoom with this setup. The first way is with the document camera. You can see in the bottom left-hand corner of the easy instructional guide. It's very simple. You're just going to twist the zoom knob to zoom in and out. And then there's an orange button in the middle of the zoom knob. Press that after zooming to focus the image. You can also rotate the document camera around to get virtually any angle. So I'm going to show you. I'll pause the image and then take a look right here. You're able to rotate the arm or the head of the document camera 180 degrees, and then you can actually pull the camera towards you to get very, very close to something small and show a lot more detail. So that's how you can rotate the document camera. Next, we're going to open up our easy instructional guide, and you'll see that the next section is called Basic Operation. The document camera has a few simple buttons on the front panel. I'm going to turn the camera around again so you can see what I'm talking about, even though it will be a little bit upside down. Here we have our power button to power the unit on and off. The menu button. In here you can change the setting to microscope mode to use it with a microscope. You can change the image from positive to negative. You can change your preferences in here, but you don't have to get into the menu very often. You can take a picture with the document camera and save to an SD card. You can view the images from the SD card by pressing the SD button here. And then you can see the live image by pressing the document camera button down here. And the last one is a picture of a computer, because if we press this, then our computer screen will come up. In the center is an hourglass that will pause the image. Just press it again to unpause. And then down here we have 2 buttons which will let us lighten or darken the image.